Today, you are about to discover something that will turn your life upside down. Do you know that person from the past, who seemed distant? They are about to find themselves overcome by an unexpected feeling. They realize that you are changing, that you are growing, that your life is taking a direction they never imagined. And now they can't get you out of their head, wondering if they still have a chance. But wait, there's more. The universe is sending a new love your way, someone who will see all the power you are awakening. That person from the past will be torn, feeling the weight of your evolution and desperately wanting to come back. But the choice is yours. Your energy will rise in a way you never imagined possible. You will become vibrant, full of joy, spontaneity, and positivity, and you will start to attract the most wonderful things to yourself, which will serve your highest good. The key point is that often you may not be aware of all the amazing things your heart truly desires, but the universe, in its infinite wisdom, knows exactly what is best for you. God, in His grandeur, is watching every detail of your life, hearing all your prayers, even those you have not verbalized. He knows your deepest and most secret longings and will bring these blessings to you at the right time, because He can see beyond what our limited eyes can reach. The angels are around you, and they want you to know that there is a beautiful and radiant energy here, ready to transform your life in ways you may not even be able to imagine right now. If you carry in your heart worries or pains caused by past relationships and are afraid to tread that path again because of the difficulties faced before, I have a special message. A new love is on the horizon. It's not just any love, but a love that will be in harmony with the elevated energy you are cultivating, a love that will be built on foundations of respect, understanding, and reciprocity. Even if you now have someone special in mind, or perhaps you are wondering who the person you will love will be, it is essential to understand that there is not just one person destined to be the love of your life. Thinking that there is only that person and no one else can be a mistake. The reality is that life is full of possibilities and different paths of love that can open up at any moment. We are not confined to a single unchanging destiny. On the contrary, we have the incredible opportunity to choose who we want by our side, who we want to share our days, our dreams, and our deepest desires with. This idea that love can manifest in different ways throughout life should not be understood as an invitation to multiple simultaneous relationships, although for some people, this may be a reality. But what I am trying to say is simpler and at the same time profound. You have choices. You can decide with whom you want to share your path, who makes your heart beat faster, who is that friendly shoulder in the most difficult moments. And this choice is not about finding someone perfect, but someone who accepts you as you are, with all your qualities and imperfections, and who makes you feel secure, loved, and above all, understood. Finding that person with whom you truly feel connected is about much more than just passion. It's about partnership, about feeling complete and satisfied next to someone who values you, nurtures your emotions, and is willing to build something solid and meaningful by your side. It's about building, day after day, a shared life that makes sense for both of you. So understand that there is not a single person destined to cross your path, and it is precisely for this reason that a new love is about to enter your life. This approaching love has everything to be deeply rewarding, full of generosity, and with an incredible potential to become something truly special. It is essential that you realize that you are going through a moment of great personal transformation. You are growing, improving in all aspects of your life, and this is evident. There is no stagnation, much less regression. On the contrary, you are in a constant ascension, reaching new levels of fulfillment. This new phase that begins brings with it a unique and special connection, a soulmate connection that will enter your life through this new love. However, it is interesting to note that there is also someone from your past who will realize that you are moving forward, that you are progressing in a way that this person never imagined before. As your energy rises, you focus on new goals, dedicating yourself to different areas of your life. This naturally brings more prosperity, luck, and well-being. With this new focus, your financial life begins to flourish, your happiness grows notably, and your energy expands, touching and enriching every aspect of your existence. With this renewal, you start to attract the attention of new people, especially in the romantic field, arousing the interest of this new person who comes into your path. Additionally, People from your past, whether friends, family, or even old loves, may start to reappear. There are several reasons for this. Perhaps these people feel your energy vibrating at a higher frequency, which makes you even more attractive to them. However, as your attention shifts away from these people from the past, their energy, curiously, seems to turn more intensely towards you. You have waited so long for this moment, the one where things finally begin to align. After so many battles, so much waiting, now with patience and faith, everything starts to make sense. The universe, with all its wisdom, God in His infinite goodness, and the divine in His constant presence, are by your side. It's not just you who is rooting for your success. The angels, those beings of light who take care of you so lovingly, are also here, vibrating for each achievement, always wishing the best for your life. They want you to know that all your efforts are being noticed. Every small step you take towards your personal growth is recognized and celebrated, and they encourage you to keep going, to move forward, to never give up on your dreams and well-being. It is essential that you stand firm, working with dedication, taking care of yourself, and healing the wounds that the past has left. Above all, put your needs and desires first. By doing so, you strengthen yourself, fill yourself with energy, and prepare to face any challenge that life brings. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. You are being guided, protected, and blessed. There is a constant flow of blessings coming your way, bringing beauty, grace, and serenity. These qualities will deeply touch your soul, renewing it, bringing a sense of peace and contentment that perhaps you have never felt before. With all this positive energy flowing towards you, you will soon notice changes in your body and mind. You will feel more beautiful, more radiant, with a new confidence in yourself. Your health will improve, your skin, hair, and nails will reflect this inner well-being. But it is not only on the outside that you will feel this transformation. Your soul will also be touched, rejuvenated by this divine grace that now accompanies you. Prosperity, in all its forms, is within your reach, bringing not only material wealth, but a deep sense of well-being and spiritual balance. And you know those moments when everything seems to simply flow? When the signs align, the traffic lights open at the right time, the doors swing open as if by magic. These are the signs that you are on the right path, that the universe is conspiring in your favor. All of this is a confirmation that you are where you should be, doing what you should be doing. It is crucial that you stay active in all areas of your life, in your dreams, in your interests, in your daily tasks, in your work, in the care you have for yourself, in your appreciation for life, and in your healing journey. This proactivity is the key for you to achieve everything you desire and deserve. Within you, there is a deep knowledge, a wisdom that was given by God, capable of illuminating the path of other people, guiding them through your spiritual teachings. You are someone with a natural empathy, a heart full of love, who understands the value of prayer and gratitude. These qualities make you a unique person, with enormous potential to help and inspire those around you. However, it is vital that you take care of yourself first. Before reaching out to help others, you need to be well with yourself, find balance and inner peace. This is even more important if you carry traumas from the past that still weigh on your heart. If there are people, places, or situations that still bring discomfort, this clearly indicates that healing is necessary. Dedicate yourself to this healing process with care and patience, because as you heal, you become stronger. And when you reach a state of greater healing and inner peace, you'll be in such a powerful position that everything around you will begin to align perfectly, bringing harmony and fulfillment to your life and to those whom you love and wish to help. Every step in this journey is important. Healing is often a slow process that requires attention, care, and dedication. Don't rush. Go at your own pace, respecting your limits and understanding that sometimes it is necessary to take a step back in order to move forward more firmly and securely. The important thing is to keep moving, even if slowly. Remember that this path of self-discovery and healing is not just for you, but also for those whom you touch with your presence and your light. Deep down, you already know what needs to be done. Trust in that inner wisdom, that calm and firm voice that guides you, and know that you have the support of the universe, of God, at each stage of this process. You have the ability to transform not only your life but also the lives of those around you, bringing more love, understanding, and light into the world. Believe in your potential and allow yourself to grow and evolve. You are capable of achieving incredible things, and the first step is to take care of yourself with the love and respect you deserve. Every small victory in your healing process is a big step towards your greater purpose. This is a moment of transformation. It's as if a deep cleansing is taking place in your life, sweeping away all negative energies, preparing the ground for something new and positive. And you know what? That miracle you've been waiting for is on its way. It may not seem like it now, but your prayers have been heard, and the answers are coming, perhaps in ways you never imagined. Face your fears with courage because big changes are unfolding. This is your moment to rise, to seek that life you've always dreamed of. God is with you by your side, ready to guide and protect you in every step of this journey. Do not doubt that for even a second. Trust and allow yourself to receive this divine help, because you deserve all the love and light that the universe has reserved for you. Understand one thing: you do not need to carry the weight of everything alone. Sometimes we forget about this and end up trying to hold the world in our own hands, but it doesn't have to be that way. Let God and the angels enter your life. Embrace this divine connection that has always been within your reach. Praying can be the beginning of this opening. And it doesn't need to be something formal or follow a religious guide. What matters is that it is sincere, that it comes from the bottom of your heart and aligns with what you truly believe in. Feel this living faith within you, like a flame that never goes out, and that will light your path, even in the most difficult moments. Now, something that we sometimes underestimate is the power of being a good person. It may seem simple, but kindness has a huge impact. Being kind, generous, true. These things make the world around us better and also elevate us, help us grow as human beings. And that's no small thing. In a world where everything seems so complicated, being a good person can be what makes all the difference. But do not forget, you do not need to face your challenges alone. When things get tough, when the weight seems unbearable, ask for help. God, the angels, the universe, they are all ready to support you, to guide you to a place of peace, of light. There is no need to carry that burden all by yourself. Remember, this difficult period you are going through will not last forever. The difficulties that today seem like insurmountable mountains, tomorrow will only be memories of overcoming. The clouds will dissipate, and you will see a clear sky, full of new possibilities. Trust that things are changing, that everything is adjusting to lead you to a better place. This is a moment of transformation. It's as if a deep cleaning is happening in your life, sweeping away all negative energies, preparing the ground for something new and positive. And you know what? That miracle you've been waiting for is on its way. It may not seem like it now, but your prayers have been heard, and the answers are coming, perhaps in ways you haven't even imagined. Face your fears with courage, because major changes are unfolding. This is your moment to rise up, to pursue that life you've always dreamed of. God is with you by your side, ready to guide and protect you at every step of this journey. Do not doubt this for a single second. Trust and allow yourself to receive this divine help, because you deserve all the love and light that the universe has reserved for you. You need to understand that there is vast potential within you, something that goes beyond what you can imagine right now. What the angels want you to know is that there are no real barriers to your potential, which is vast and practically limitless. Within you, there is a tremendous capacity, waiting for the right moment to manifest and make a significant difference in your life. And the best part of it all, wonderful things are about to happen. Believe that what is coming is greater and more amazing than you can conceive right now. But here's a crucial point. At this very moment, you are facing an important lesson that life is trying to teach you. This lesson is not about being selfish, far from it. It's about learning to put yourself first, to value yourself and prioritize what truly matters to you. If you continue to put your life on the back burner to meet the needs and expectations of others, when will your moment come? When will you stop and realize that it's time to achieve your dreams, follow your desires, and above all, heal the wounds that are still open? The time has come to understand that your life has tremendous value and that you deserve to be the protagonist of your own story. There is nothing wrong with wanting to be happy, wanting to fulfill your own desires, and wanting to grow and flourish at your own pace. The angels are reminding you of this. You deserve to have your space, your time, your moment. From the moment you decide to prioritize yourself, you begin to tread the path that God has prepared for you. And it is on this path that you will find true fulfillment, because there are no limits to what you can achieve when you choose to focus on your well-being and happiness. So always keep this in mind: you are limitless. And the universe, with all its greatness, has incredible plans for you. But for these plans to materialize, you need to make the decision to put yourself at the center of your life, to make it the main stage. The angels are by your side, ready to guide and support you every step of the way. What you need to do is simple, but essential: trust yourself and take the first step towards your own happiness and fulfillment. The right moment is now. The protagonist of this story is you, and you deserve to live every moment to the fullest. The angels are calling your attention now, asking you to focus and listen with an open heart. We know that the journey hasn't been easy, and that the anxiety to see the changes you so desire may be weighing on your shoulders. Perhaps you feel like you're fighting alone, but it is crucial that you continue, even if it's slowly, step by step. Believe, this dedication and effort will not be in vain. Very soon, doors will begin to open, opportunities will arise, and you will see things finally starting to unfold in your favor. You are not alone in this journey. Your angels are by your side, ready to support and guide you whenever you need. All you have to do is ask. The answers you seek are not far away. They will come through dreams, subtle signs, and coincidences that will appear on your path, showing you the right direction. They are here to ensure that you follow the right path, the one that will lead you to your true purpose. At this exact moment, your angels are sending you a wave of inspiration and love. This energy will help you see more clearly and give you the strength needed to overcome the challenges you are facing now. Moreover, it will motivate you to explore new possibilities, such as starting your own business or dedicating yourself with more passion to your goals. Now is the perfect time to invest your time and energy in what truly makes you happy, in activities that warm your heart and bring a sense of fulfillment. Everything that is for your highest good is coming towards you, evolving in tune with your life purpose. These blessings are coming to meet you, joining you and growing alongside you, bringing harmony and happiness to your journey. If this message touched your heart, know that it is for you. So declare in the comments, "Now it's my turn." And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, to keep receiving these messages of love and light. Thank you very much for being here today. May God bless you, and until next time.